Welcome back to Banoris Crafts. Today's project is this beautiful crochet bracelet with colorful beads. Super easy and perfect for beginners. For this sample and the tutorial, I'm using a medium yarn and a 3mm hook. Let's dive in. Before we begin, string all the beads onto the thread. Tie a simple knot. Chain 2. Slide a bit closer to the hook. Chain 1. In the first chain, work 1 single crochet. Slide a bit closer to the hook. Chain 1. Don't forget to like this video if you're enjoying this tutorial so far. Turn the work. In the space beside the previous bead, work 1 single crochet. Slide a bead. Chain 1. Turn the work. Work 1 single crochet. Slide a bead. Chain 1. Turn the work. In this space, work 1 single crochet. And repeat this until your bracelet is as long as you want it to be. For the closure, make a buttonhole sized to fit this bead. Once the bracelet is finished, chain 3, and work a slip stitch here. Weave in the loose ends. And finally, sew one of these beads onto the other end of the bracelet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and hit subscribe. Have a great day!